Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. So, dear children, today I am here with the same chapter of English Gulmohar, which is chapter 10, The King's Drum. Chapter 10, The King's Drum. As I told you this chapter in my previous video, so today we are going to complete the exercise of this chapter. So for this, take out your Gulmohar book and open page number 78. Page number 78. Okay. So let's start. B. Match the words in A with the correct words in B to make complete sentences. Dear children, match the words A with the correct words B in B to make complete sentences. Okay. Number 1. Tiger catches mouse deer because he can beat the drums. No. Tiger wants to eat mouse deer. The bees cannot sting now. Tiger hits the beehive. Tiger wants to eat him. He has an idea to save himself. Tiger catches mouse deer because tiger wants to eat him. So write here number 1. In front of E you have to write number 1. Number 2. Mouse deer is scared because tiger wants to eat mouse deer. Tiger wants to eat mouse deer. So here you write number 2. Mouse deer is scared because tiger wants to eat mouse deer. So in front of B you have to write number 3. Number 2. Next, number 3. Mouse deer looks at the beehive and he can beat the drum. The bees cannot sting tiger now. Tiger hits the beehive. He has an idea to save himself. Mouse deer looks at the beehive and he has an idea to save himself. So here you write number 3. Okay. Tiger is happy because he can beat the drum. He can beat the drum. So here you write number 4. Bees sting tiger because tiger hits the beehive. Here you write number 5. Tiger jumps into the river so the bees cannot sting tiger now. So here you write number 6. Okay. So complete it. Next, enjoying the story. Write the correct answers. There may be more than one correct answer. Okay. So number 1. Mouse deer says the beehive is a king's drum because he really thinks it is the king's drum. Mouse deer says the beehive is a king's drum because he really thinks it is the king's drum. No. He wants to play a trick on tiger. He wants to play a trick on tiger. He wants tiger to beat the king's drum. So here he wants to play a trick on tiger. This is correct. Okay. Now next, open page number 79. Number 2. Do you think mouse deer runs away because he does not want the kings to scold him? Do you think mouse deer runs away because he does not want the king to scold him? He does not want tiger to eat him up. He knows the bees will come out and sting. Yes, he runs away because he does not want the king to scold him. He does not want tiger to eat him up. This is correct. And he knows the bees will come out and sting. So this also correct. Okay. In this, Two are correct. Now next, grammar and uses. Grammar and uses. Read these sentences. Okay. The bees in the beehive are very hungry. The bees in the beehive are very hungry. The tiger stands on a rock. Mouse deer sees a beehive above him. So dear children, words like in, on, under and above help us to show where a person or thing is. Okay? Where a person and things is. So now let's read these sentences. In the basket. What is in the basket? What is this? Which picture is this? This is banana. So banana is in the basket. Banana is in the basket. केला जो है डलिया के अंदर है. Okay, next. On the table. As you can see, what is on the table? There is books. So books on the table. Books on the table. Okay. Next, under the tree. Who is under the tree? A girl under the tree. Okay. Next, above the bed. As you can see, fan is above the bed. So here, fan पंखा बेड के सीधे ऊपर है, इसलिए above the bed. Okay. Now next, turn the page. Open page number 80. A. Match these sentences in A with the correct picture in B. As you can see, few sentences is written here. So match it with the correct picture. Number 1. The spoon is in the cup. As you can see, this is cup and spoon is in the cup. Okay. So you have to write number. No need to match it. Okay. 2. The plate is on the table. As you can see, there is a table and one plate is on the table. So here you write number 2. No need to match it. Just write number. 3. The crow is above the fox. As you can see, fox is here and the crow is above the fox. So here you write number 3. Number 4. The slippers are under the bed. The slippers are under the bed. Here you can see there is a bed and slippers are under the bed. So here you write slippers. Number 4. The slippers are under the bed. Next, number 5. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. So here you write number 5. Okay. Now next, B. Look at these pictures. Complete these sentences with the above words given in the box. You may use a word more than once. Okay. So look at these pictures. As you can see, few pictures are here. So we have to complete these sentences with the help of picture. And clue is given here. You can use one word more than one. Okay. So number 1. The fox is dash the shelf. The box is dash the shelf. What is this? This is shelf. And where is box? It is on the shelf. So here the box is on the shelf. Next, number 2. My socks are dash my shoes. As you can see, where is socks? The socks are in the shoes. So here you write in. My socks are in my shoes. Number 3. We sleep dash a quilt because it is cold. We sleep dash a quilt because it is cold. We sleep in a quilt because it is cold. Number 4. The lamp hangs the table above the table. A-B-O-V-E, above the table. The lamp hangs above the table. Number 5. The bird is dash on the window sill. The bird is on the window sill. Okay. Now next, words in hues. A. Circle the odd one out. Circle the odd one out. Number 1. Tiger, lion, bear, goldfish. Okay. So tiger, lion and bear. Of these, goldfish lives in a fish tank and these are lives in jungle. So this is odd. Goldfish, odd one. Okay. So you can circle it, goldfish. Number 2, king, crown, emperor, queen. Crown. These are people. King, emperor, queen. These are people. Crown is a things. Okay. So circle crown. Now turn the page. Page number 82. 3. Flute, drum, violin, whistle. So whistle. These are musical instrument. Okay. Whistle. Number 4. Sparrow, bee, ladybug, butterfly. Sparrow, bee, ladybug and butterfly. Bee, ladybug and butterfly. These are insects. So sparrow is bird. So circle it, sparrow. Okay. Next, B. Look at the pictures. Write the correct action word. Number 1. What she is doing? She is drinking. Okay. So here you write drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Number 2. What she is doing? Hiding. So here you write hide. H-I-D-E. Hide. Now next, beat. B-E-A-T. Beat. Okay. Number 4. What she is doing? She is dancing. So here you write dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Okay. Next, open page number 83. Number 5. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Okay. Now turn the page. Open page number 84. Writing. Read these sentences about a mouse deer. Okay. Here few sentences is written here about mouse deer. The mouse deer is a small animal. It is mostly reddish brown. It has spots and strips in white or a light color. It eats leaves and fruits. It lives it whole in trees and rocks. Okay. Now complete these sentences about a tiger with the correct words from the box. Then write the sentences in your notebook. So here you can see you have to write these sentences about correct sentences about a tiger with the help of clue box. You may be like this. 1. The tiger is a large animal. Okay. The tiger is a large animal. Number 2. It is mostly yellow or orange. Okay. So here you write yellow and orange. Number 3. It has what it has? Tiger has black strips. So here you write it has black strips. Number 4. It eats what tiger eats? Other animals. Okay. So here you write other animals. Tiger eats other animals. Number 5. It lives in bushes or caves. Okay. So here you write bushes or caves. So this is your homework. You have to complete it in your book only. Okay. No need to write in your copy. Just complete it in your book. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.